Hey, listen. You know, Jollibee, huh? You guys are lucky. You know why? Sit down. You know why? You know why? Because when I was same as yours,
Daddy, he's not holding my hand.
hold the hands, bro. Listen. When I was a baby like you, huh? Oh, listen. When daddy is the same as your age, the only time that we were able to afford Jollibee is when your Lola, Mami Chichay got salary. So you guys are so lucky because you were able to afford Jollibee whenever you want it. And be grateful for that, okay? So say thank you, Jesus.
Thank you, Jesus.
Ikaw, thank you, Jesus. Ano sus? Thank you, Jesus, for the Jollibee. Ikaw, thank you, Jesus, for the Jollibee. Go.
Thank you, Jesus, for the celery.
Okay.